Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making a DIY squishy. And guess what? This can save you tons of money because if you just go to a plain store and just get a plain squishy, you can make designs and new squishies for yourself, just like you like them. So let's get started. Here I have a few templates for a few squishies, and you can decorate your squishies however you want. I will be going outside the box and doing different colors. All you need is puffy paint or fluffy paint, and any type of foam that's really good for a squishy.
You guys will also need makeup appliers or makeup foam, whatever you want to call it.
And a lot of creativity.
So let's start tracing out our piece of toast, which I'm not going to make a normal piece of toast. I'm totally going for something really pretty. So let's start cutting it out. It's kind of hard, so if you need to use a knife or an X-Acto knife, get parent supervision so you don't cut yourself, and just smoothing the edges to make it really pretty.
Here I have my first unpainted squishy, and I'm really excited to start painting.
So here I am starting to paint. So I'm going to do like a more like a Northern Lights kind of look. So I'm going like cotton candy on the edge, and I'm going like Northern Lights on the front. So I'm going like with peach and teal and green and pink and blue. And here I'm making the face, which is so pretty. That piece of a little yellow paint is butter. And here I have this Oreo, and it's very, very squishy, guys. And I really, really like it. And it's just like a homemade Oreo. So here I'm just painting, guys. You just need one makeup foam for this. You really actually don't need two to layer it, or like three. You just paint like if it was a cookie, and then the little white frosting, and then more of the cookie. And since it's puffy paint, or you can get fluffy paint, either one, it makes the letters stand out, and it makes them like puffy, so you can get a texture to
and
your
you can
cookie.
Write
Oreo, or you can basically write whatever you want. You can actually make moon cookies. You can make any type of cookie you want. Here I have the panda. It kind of has wonky ears, some cricket ears, but it came out super cute, and that's what I love about the panda. So here I am making her eyes, and I'm going to call it a her, of course. So here, it's kind of hard to make the eyes if you want to make them like a Kiwani eye, but exactly. Now here I'm making the small little mouth. It's so cute. You guys can use peach and everything. You can use pink peach to make the little blush or the little marks on pandas if you want to make it super cute. And here I'm just making the ears. They didn't come out as best as I could do them, but they're actually really good. So I'm just painting the ears black because, of course, a panda's ear is black. And also, I got my fingers really messy. So the ears are kind of wonky when I put them like that, just to separate. And right now, when they're hot glued, they're kind of wonky. But we're going to put a keychain on it just to make it even more fancy. And you just hot glue it in because you make a small socket. And that's what it looks like. Our next one, this is the kitty. And I am so excited for this kitty cat. Those eyes are so cute, guys, and I really like this, and I'm just loving this kitty cat because it actually looks like a kitty cat. Those eyes are really good, what I made, and I'm actually really, really proud of myself because sometimes when I make eyes, but like on paper, guys, it's really hard to do it. I actually mess up a lot. Yes, the secret of mine. So now I'm making its little tiny nose, and I'm going to make their little mouths, and I love their mouths because they're like curved like J backwards. Here are the whiskers. I'm just adding a little few touches. And now I'm making the ears. Now these ears came out really good, and I like where I put them, and they're really pretty. Now here I have the strawberry, guys. It came out squishy. It's not the best slow rising squishy, but it's really good. Here, to like shape out your squishy and make smooth edges, what you basically do is what your dad shaves with, of course. You can smoothen the edges. Here I am painting, and I'm going to do red, and I'm going to do like the green leaf they have on the strawberry. So just painting around the whole thing. Make sure you don't leave any white spots because when it dries, you don't want it to look ugly looking, and it has white spots, so it's not a complete squishy. And here you can use any actually paint. I figured out that fabric paint is a really good paint you could use, so it doesn't absorb that easily. And that's how it looks like. And you can add seeds, a face, whatever you want, guys. It does not matter. Add details. And guess what, guys? You can do any color strawberry. You can do actually any squishy you basically want. You can add any details, everything. You can add anything. Now, this squishy is not the slow rising. So, this is toast, and it's not supposed to slow rising. Now, here we have a view of keychains, and here is our small little cake. That yellow piece on top, it looks like an egg. So, you can actually make any design you want. You can use your creativity and make any keychains. And I hope you liked all of these keychains and be creative.
I hope you enjoyed these squishies and this video. And you can do any designs you really want. There can be tons of squishies out there you want. And remember what I said in the beginning. Give me a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching. Bye!